everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable buttons on your Android phone. So maybe one of your side buttons simply aren't working, like your volume or, I don't know, maybe even your power button, I don't know. But we can just go to the Google Play Store here, go to search, and type in button mapper. And I'm using this one right here. It's called button mapper, remap your keys, opens up. Now, when you install this, though, you need to give it permission to be used on your phone. So there's going to be some sort of button or link down here. I'll bring you to your settings. You need to go to installed apps and just enable button mapper and turn it on under there. Once you do that, you can see you have the option to go to your volume button right here and customize this and select this and remap it. So if you want your volume button to be back, or you can have it home or something like that, open your camera, one of these options, or you can set it to no action. So maybe your volume keys are stuck. You can select that to no action. And it's kind of cool. You can do a double tap and you can go back or something like that. So you might want to turn this on for that reason. You can add buttons here too. Press the button. Okay. So let's just try pressing it once. Maybe you can't do the power button because it just turns the screen on and off. But press button to add. So I don't see it popping up on there. You got more options under here. So you can just look at this as an option if you want to change your buttons around with this button mapper app, depending on what you're trying to do. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.